Find the 4 screw holes of the front grille and unscrew them. After removing all the screws, be careful that the front grille may slide off. Remove the front grille. Find the digital thermostat. Take a tool such as pliers, and gently unfasten the wiring port. There are 4 wiring ports in total. Press the thermostat bayonet paddle and remove the buckles on both sides. Then you can remove the thermostat from the front of the cover for replacement. Prepare a new thermostat. First remove the thermostat buckle, then align the thermostat to the hole and push it in to install. Press the thermostat in front with one hand, and push the orange bayonet in with the other hand to stabilize the thermostat. Install the bayonet on the other side. Before wiring, you can clamp the wiring port with pliers to connect the line more firmly. Then connect each line in turn. Complete the replacement installation. Finally, install the front cover back, and that's it.